How to create a wallet on Trust Wallet. If you wish to create wallet on Trust Wallet, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Trust Wallet application. Then once you launch the Trust Wallet tab, by the way, if you already have a wallet, you can import it by just tapping on I already have a wallet option. But if you don't, just tap on the create new wallet option. It will ask you to create a passcode, so go ahead and then create a certain passcode. I'm just choosing a random one because I'm just using this for the sake of the video. Now once I go ahead and then enter the passcode over here, I'll just go ahead and then make sure to confirm the passcode again. Once done, I can allow the biometric access, and just like that it will ask me to create new wallet using a secret recovery phrase or using Swift. I can just tap on create using secret recovery phrase, and just like that you can see my wallet has been successfully created. This way I can create a wallet on Trust Wallet. Now if I want, I can even back up the key of this wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.